Hi, in this video I will show you how to write shell programming and Unix or Linux. So this video just only discuss about compression of two string. Okay, string means anything जैसे कि 32 is a string, good morning is a string, like कोई character ये भी एक string है. So okay, so let's start. Okay. Okay. First is echo. Echo just like a printf. Okay. जैसे कि in C programming printf, so then this is like echo. So echo first is enter first string. Okay. Uh, Echo enter first string just because it is user input. Okay. Just remember it is user input. So read s1 for string 1. Okay, then echo enter string 2, so next string. Okay, then read s2 for string 2. That's because it is comparison of two string or compare of two string, so either equal or greater or less. Okay, so let's start. So if $s1 जैसे कि first string equal to s2, then echo, then what, then if s1 equal to s2, then this the two string are equal. Okay, if s1 not equals to s2 or else, or only else echo these strings are not equal. Okay, um, okay, this is nothing but the if else loop, and last is fi. Okay, this echo just like um, printf and read scanf in C programming. Okay, this इको जस्ट आपको प्रिंट करता है कुछ एंड रीड फॉर कुछ रीड करता है. ओके, so let's see what happened during run. So bus.com.sh, com.sh, this file name is com.sh. sh for extension shell programming, and com, this I write this program name is com.sh. Okay, bus.com, bus.com message. So enter first string I write just hi, and second string I write hi. So technically these two string are equal, so after the run these string are equal. Okay, so another examples, see what happened if I write two string, one is this is not equal. Okay, so first I write hi, second I write hello. So technically these two strings are not equal. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you next video. Okay, hope you will understand this video. and please subscribe my